Now, if you're thinking about getting a second job or starting a side hustle, you have probably got a stack of questions. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what you need to do to stay on the right side of the tax man and keep your accounts in tip-top shape. So let's dive in. The first thing you need to understand is your employment status, whether you're self-employed, employed, or both. It's crucial to get this right because it impacts everything else. If you're self-employed and you start a side hustle, you're adding to your self-employment income. But if you're employed and you start a side hustle, guess what? You've got dual income streams, which means more to manage. Next up, let's talk tax codes. Now, if you've got two PAYE jobs, that's where tax codes come into play to let your employers know what they should be using. But if you're PAYE and self-employed, things get a bit different. You don't have to involve your employer in your side hustle, and you can keep it separate by paying your self-assessment tax directly. No need to alert your boss, but I think it's a nice thing to do if you can assure them it doesn't impact your work with them. And on that note, just to show you that I did a side hustle, I undertook a telemarketing job for a cybersecurity firm, getting loads of leads for their sales team. So it was the absolute perfect start to build up my pure360.com business from the ground and support myself on the way. Coming back to the tax codes, this is where Crunch comes in. We can help you understand which tax code is right for you, making sure you're not caught out by any nasty surprises come tax season. If you're running a side hustle while being employed, you'll need to keep clear records of your business income and expenses. Trust me, because I've been there. Trying to do this with just a spreadsheet and being in a full-time PAYE job will drive you mad because you'll miss stuff. But don't worry, Crunch has your back. Our software is designed specifically for people like you. It's easy to use and it takes the hassle out of bookkeeping so you can focus on what you do best. Finally, a word about reporting your income. When you have a side hustle, you'll need to submit a self-assessment tax return. Now, for many of you who have never done this, this can seem really daunting, but it's so easy to sort it out if you know how, and it's crucial to avoid these penalties that are likely to come if you get it wrong. At Crunch, we offer all the tools and support you need to get your self-assessment done right the first time. Plus, our friendly advisors are just a phone call away if you need any help. So if you're thinking of taking on that second job or starting a side hustle, make sure you've got the right tools and support. With Crunch, you can manage your accounts, stay compliant, and keep your stress levels down, which is much, much better. So thanks so much for watching. If you've got any questions or need help with your accounts, give our Crunch advisors a call. We're here to help you succeed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of these updates from us. See you next time, and happy hustling.